In today's competitive business landscape, technology plays a crucial role in achieving sales success. Introducing Twib, a leading brand revolutionizing sales through innovative apps. Twib's comprehensive suite transforms sales operations with features like field tracking, CRM, and reporting, empowering teams for increased productivity. Sales apps offer numerous benefits, including improved productivity, real-time tracking, enhanced collaboration, and data-driven insights. These advantages make sales processes efficient and focused. The global sales app market is projected to grow to $58.2 billion by 2027. This growth is driven by the increasing adoption of mobile devices and the demand for productivity. Choosing the right sales app is essential. Consider evaluating your business needs, budget considerations, user-friendliness, and data security when making your decision. Sales apps with analytics and reporting capabilities like Twib empower businesses to identify trends, gain in-depth insights, and make data-driven decisions for strategic growth. While sales apps offer significant benefits, there are potential challenges to consider, such as cost considerations, complexity, user adoption, and data security. Proactive mitigation is crucial for a smooth implementation. In conclusion, the sales landscape is evolving, and technology is a powerful tool for success. Sales apps like Twib play a vital role in propelling businesses forward for remarkable sales success. Explore Twib for your sales needs.